Welcome to complete troubleshooting IT learning tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we'll want to know which partition system we are used in laptop computer, how to know this. At first we click the Windows start menu and right click of the mouse and go to click disk management option, and when open disk management option windows and click down the disk 0, right click of the mouse and go to properties and open a tab. We want to click the volume and we are see my partition system are MBR. We master board record. If this way we know which partition system we want to use, we want to learn this. So if this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel, keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much.